Join me as I take on the challenge of building real wealth in just a few hours a week. Let's see if it's actually possible. Building wealth doesn't have to be a full-time job. You don't need to sacrifice your entire life to financial freedom. What if I told you that it's possible to build real wealth in just a few hours a week? It sounds too good to be true, but stick with me, and let's explore the possibilities. One of the biggest misconceptions about building wealth is that it requires constant work. You've got to be grinding every single day, sacrificing your free time, and dedicating your life to making money. But the truth is, that's just not sustainable. No one can maintain that level of intensity forever. And what about those who aren't willing to put in 12-hour days, 7 days a week? Does that mean they're doomed to be broke? Absolutely not. Another misconception is that you need to have a high income to build wealth. Wrong again. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage what you make. There are people who earn 6 figures and are still broke, while others who make a modest income are wealthy. It's not about the money, it's about what you do with it. We've also been led to believe that building wealth requires some sort of magic formula or insider knowledge. But the truth is, building wealth is a skill that can be learned, and it's not rocket science. Anyone can do it with the right mindset and strategies. Finally, many people think that building wealth means sacrificing your present life for the sake of your future. They think you've got to live in a tiny apartment, eat ramen noodles every day, and give up your social life. But that's not true either. You can build wealth while still enjoying your life. It's all about finding the right balance. Let's talk about some strategies that can be implemented in just a few hours a week. Investing is one of them. You can set up an investment portfolio in under an hour, and then let the money grow while you're sleeping. Another strategy is side hustles. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, building an affiliate marketing business, growing a network marketing company, or renting out a room on Airbnb, side hustles can generate passive income and build wealth with minimal time investment. Financial literacy is another key strategy. By learning how to manage your finances, create a budget, and make smart financial decisions, you can build wealth without sacrificing your lifestyle. And the best part is, you can learn all of this in just a few hours a week. But among all these strategies, there's one that stands out as the most effective. The key to building significant wealth with minimal time investment is to focus on passive income. Passive income is money that generates automatically, without you having to trade your time for it. It's like having an ATM that spits out cash while you're sleeping, traveling, or enjoying your free time. Passive income can come from many sources, such as dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, affiliate marketing, network marketing, or even creating and selling online courses. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to build wealth while still having a life. You can go on vacation, spend time with your family, and pursue your passions while your money is working for you. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Building wealth doesn't have to take a lot of time or effort. With the right mindset and strategies, you can build significant wealth in just a few hours a week. Whether it's investing, side hustles, financial literacy, or passive income, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite wealth building strategies? Share your experiences, and let's grow our wealth together. Don't forget to check out my next video for more insights on building real wealth. See you there.